Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that you're going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome you onto my channel. Yay, I'm going to be MIA. Yo. Yeah, man. And I'm feeling busy. But njalo sathanda ukuthi yo busy manje busy ngani. But yo umuntu bebusy bafethu, a lot is has been going on. Izinto zahlangana, I don't want to lie. Just updating nje work-wise and all of that in terms of the training and all of that. So yeah, I hope that everyone is also good and is also good, even Namanje, and is also going to be okay. Yeah, man. Yeah, but I'm not here to talk about that. Yo, I'm just going to have my own or put out my own opinion with regards to the whole Grace Mondlana event that she had. The last time I spoke about her was when that whole crazy story of her nale boyfriend ibishonile wena. I was very disappointed. I don't want to lie to you when it came to that, but we are all not perfect. But I don't think this statement yokuthi asikho sonke perfect is applicable when it comes to that, because I'm perfect, but yo, I wouldn't do that. But anyway, even what she did now, okay, one day I will. Masenge rights. You know, with her event, I don't want to lie to you. If it is yo, ushayile bafethu. No me week yakhe bebe ifake wrong, but nje I ushayile. I don't want to lie to you nje. If it is ile yazi yutswe ukuthi bekumshado or yo. I mean, I'm not even mad at her ukuthi she made the whole thing was just about her very being you know, ukuthi the way she was carrying herself ngakhona confidence funa vele all eyes lokukhuza abantu bebangumsindo. Lokho nje angimblame vele i-event yakhe wafethu usebenza nzima. I can only imagine how much money she spent to put this whole thing together and all of that, because enye into futhi that I was also even noticing on EX, a lot of people were coming for her. And also coming for the other influencers who were also invited to the event, because with how people were also even putting it, they were putting it as if Uguti, this girl thinks that she is Beyonce and all these other influencers are my fans wake. You understand? A lot of people were definitely putting it like that, and not only just that, and they were also dragging her. Abantu abaningi, they do not like Grace. Mina wafethu, with that video that I did it based on what she was doing. I was like, you understand? So it was absolutely it absolutely had nothing to do with me liking or not liking her. I don't even know her. I only knew her Ngalisa's story or came across her when I encountered that whole story. I was like, Ubano, who's this? And yeah, but yo, abantu don't like her, and she's a very, very dope definition of good. You know, what people say about you doesn't really matter. If you keep your head held up high and you work on whatever you're doing, she's definitely doing that. Yo, ha 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 ha. Ubankenelela. That's one thing I took out of this whole thing. But yes, people are saying a lot of things about her, but yeah, we are shy. I am proud of her. I am proud of her. Even this whole thing, le savana mina ngiphuza savana bafethu ngisayida nje hey savana ne-wine hayi le savana ngiphathanga kahle yiyo eyenza ngabe right savana ngiphathanga kahle wafethu savana 300 rand mina vele basize bangangibiza bengazi futhi nanokuthi ephathini you get invited to also pay for your own alcohol ngabe ngazi mhlawumbe kodwa batsheliwe ku-invitation ukuthi utshwala no, and I'm sure it was stated ukuthi awumelanga uphathe ubeer akusibhiyo ubeer but utshwala zokuthenga khona there will be a bar. And you can only imagine tshela ukuthi mhlawumbe let's say you are told that there's a bar ujethi le bhasi uphuza mawujafika lapha tabs yo kuse-Speeds ibar esponsoriswe i-Speeds yo ngihamba ngisoba bana ngihamba ngisuthi yo bengihamba ngisuthi. So yeah, you know, with this whole thing, she killed it. I don't want to lie to you. That's all I just wanted to say. When it came to this, yeah, she's proud of herself, even the things that she has accomplished, and I'm sure her parents are also proud of her, and people who care about her. And I'm proud of her. It's just that I'm going because, the type of a person that I am. I know Nami, I'll have to work on that. I'm that person who does not like talking about my accomplishments. Okay. And the reason being is that sometimes I tend to feel like I just don't see istingo sakhona bo. Yeah. And it has absolutely nothing to even do with I was on Indan by a lawyer. I'm not even thinking about that. No, it's just in Jesus. No, 16. As is in life, so jiva, something. You understand? Yeah, but she worked hard. She's not wrong by, patting herself on the shoulder as she should. Tell girl, you killed it, and she killed it. You understand? When I saw someone also saying good, yeah, she's definitely set a tone for our influencers. Good, yeah, as much as even if you can all say good, yeah, we are all influencers, unfortunately we're not the same grade. Yeah. I'm not saying she's at a level no, but in this whole influencer thing, has she ever done something like this? I don't know. But tell me what you think about this whole video down below, and sure.